Hello everyone, welcome to Skill. In this video, I will show you how to view response in Google Form. So let's have a look now. Begin by opening your Google Form, then click on the Form and select Responses tab at the top of the Form editor. Here you will find an overview response. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skill. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.